Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Indiana, Pennsylvania with a 2005 Chevy Corvette Coupe with only 16,000 miles. This is a Clean Carfax Corvette and it's in brand new condition inside and out. Today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, open up the engine bay. I'll fire it up and show you everything that this car has to offer. Now, being a 2005, they don't have a specific 1, 2, 3 LT package on the trim sheet or on the build sheet. But if I was to guess, this would probably be a 2 or a 3 because it's loaded up with options. In fact, I think it has almost everything except navigation. Heads-up display, heated seats, Bose stereo, glass target top, polished aluminum wheels. The only thing, again, I don't see is navigation, which in a 2005 is basically a line with a little arrow on it. So maybe it's better off without it. So anyways, we're going to start in front, work our way around, and go from there. So on the front of this car, paint is really nice. I haven't found any kinds of distress or damage. Front fender into the bumper on both sides. The gap is nice. Everything on this car is nice. The headlights don't show any kind of delamination or hazing like a lot of them do over the years. Going across the front bumper, there's no spider crack or anything across the front. A lot of times people bump these nose, I guess you call them a nose guard, and create issues. But again, none of that with this. And the gap on this side is just as nice into the fender, into the hood. If you want to come around, we'll work our way around this side. As always, I know these videos aren't always the longest, but if I miss anything, feel free to call me or text me. I'd be glad to do an individual FaceTime walk around and get you more pictures or information. That way, whether you're coming to look at this car or see it online and ship it right to your house, you know exactly what you're coming to look at. Front fender, into the driver door, into the quarter panel. Obviously, you're not going to have any dents on fiberglass. I don't see any issues at all. Somebody put these little chrome covers on, gives it a nice look. Little mesh grill on the side. That's something that's aftermarket, but it looks nice. Okay, 5-spoke polished aluminum wheels. This wheel, I'd say, is got a wee little chip there, but other than that, excellent condition. You can see somebody painted the calipers red, did a nice job. Insides of the wheels are nice, and these tires are Firestones, and they are date coded 2013. So, but no kind of dry rot or anything on them. I've checked the insides out, had it inspected, no issues. Okay, windshield, again, no issues, no cracks, no chips that have been filled or anything. Really nice. The seal for the target top, likewise, no dry rot. This was obviously a garage kept car that somebody just had and liked to look at it every morning. So we'll go around the back here. I'm going to grab the key. All right, going across the back here, tail lights, third brake light, factory dual exhaust. Everything's stock on this car as far as mechanical options. There's no aftermarket options or anything like that. Again, it does have the glass removable target top. They're super light. They're easy to take on and off, and really gives the car a whole different look. But this top has no delamination or I guess you'd call it sun haze, like many of them do. You can always move this if you want to see at the rear, but still got a lot of storage. Yeah, whenever the top is on or off, you can put stuff underneath the top, which makes it really nice if you're thinking about taking it on a little travel. Sorry, it's a little tight in here. I'm going to do my best, but we'll go down the passenger side here, and passenger quarter into the fender, into the door. Everything's nice. There's no kind of fading in the paint or anything, no scratches, no chips. I mean, I'm sure there's something, but nothing that's sticking out. All the fiberglass is just in excellent shape. Forgot to mention, other side of the wheels like new. Same with this side. Nothing to show on this wheel. And yeah, this one's like new as well. So again, 2005 for 20 years old, 16,000 miles is getting pretty hard to find. Open this door up. It's probably going to chime whenever I open up the other side, but the whole interior, I'd say, is almost wear-free if you want to come over. The door, seat bolsters, carpeting. There's no kind of odors or anything on this. All the gauges and the button are all nice. They're not all chipped up or flaked. This does have selective ride, which you can basically change if you're looking for more of a touring mode, sport mode. I really honestly usually don't mess with it, but I do have both sets of keys with it. I'm going to fire it up. You're not going to be able to hear it because I have the microphone on, but and then you got to hear that chime. But okay, yeah, all the gauges and everything. There's no kind of dash lights or TPMS light or none of that to worry about. There's the radio, heated seats, dual climate control, Bose stereo. Does have the books, both keys, and just a really, really nice example here. I'll pop the hood. Again, we do have PA inspections, and we did have emissions done on this guy whenever we got it in. And we try to get them gone over. That way, you know, whenever you're coming to look at this car, buy the car, you get to drive it. You don't have to worry about getting this done or getting that done. Sure, there's stuff we miss, but overall, we try to get these cars going over the best we can and put about 50 miles on them. Engine bay, again, other than some chrome accents, it's all stock under there. This is a 6.0 liter V8, obviously an automatic. These are really good engines. They're reliable. You can do a lot to them to make them your own if you want to put exhaust or a different intake or something like that. It's all easy stuff to do, but you'll see in the pictures on the website, all the plastic and the rubbers and everything's just really nice. There's no kind of, I guess, aging to it. You know, if you haven't ever been out to Corvettes at Carlisle, it's only about maybe 3 hours from here, and it's something that everybody should go to that buys a Corvette. So if you're in the market for a Corvette, this should definitely be under consideration. It's a 2005 Chevy Corvette, 16,000 miles. It's Clean Carfax, and it's available here at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching.